So today we're leaving this campsite, Byron Bay. What things can we take away from Byron Bay or this campsite? There's still lots of birds. We didn't go in the pool. There's European people everywhere. Why are you shaking your head? Had a lovely chilled afternoon yesterday and evening. Did some editing. You watched your YouTubes. We watched Queer Eye. We had a lovely lunch and dinner, which was the same thing. I had peanut butter or chocolate. No, what was it? Chocolate spread or peanut butter with crisp sandwich. You had a cheese mayo crisp sandwich for lunch and dinner because we've still not got any gas, which is definitely what we need to get today. We've got a full tank of fuel. We've filled the water up. We are ready to rock and roll. Gold Coast is about an hour and 20 minutes away from Byron Bay, and we'll be heading into a new state, Queensland. We're leaving New South Wales behind and we're heading towards Queensland. Obviously my face is very shiny and red. I've got sunburn.
Oh, the hand. Oh.
That's where my watch goes. They've actually swollen up. Look, it's very swollen. And there, you can't really tell, but it is sunburn as well. That was from a few days ago. Look at this. Look at the rubbing of the flip-flop. Bite, blister, bite. There's another bite there. They're just everywhere. When it rains, it pours. But we did put the sun cream on, didn't we? We put the mineral factor 50, was it? 45 or 50? Mineral cream. And obviously we went in the sea and we washed it all off. Should we start the day?
Yeah.
Alright.
Every season till the end of the world, every moment, all the memories unfurl. I was chasing the shadows, they were slipping right out of my head.
We're at a boating, camping and fishing store. BCF.
Do you not flip it up like that?
No, babe, you're breaking it.
Oh look, it's those things that you tie to the boat. What? Look, there's like wakeboarding and skiing and stuff. Look at that. How cool is that? Look at these kayaks. Kayaks and supboards. This is amazing, isn't it? What an amazing shop. Look at this crocodile. Boop. Look how big those are.
What the hell do you do with that?
Is that a 2-person kayak?
But it's huge.
Yeah. What on earth is this? Sorry.
Does it feel empty?
I think so, yeah.
It's not us being dumb. It's a whole procedure, isn't it?
Alright, we filled up our gas, we got some water, vegetarian burgers, my sunburn. We've got apples. Now we're going to a place where you can stand in 2 different time zones at the same time. Tweed tweed heads. Let's go.
Call it amazing. You wanna do right by me in all we are facing. You wanna do right by you. Call it amazing.
Just for reference, you know the ibis, which Australians call them the bin chickens? Or we've named them Isaac, or we've named him Isaac, because he's at every campsite, he's everywhere we go. There's always an Isaac and his friends. So just so you know, Isaac.
We were flying for once in our lives to the heavens, to the crystal blue skies. Call it amazing. You wanna do right by me in all we are facing. You wanna do right by you. Call it amazing. Well, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Call it amazing. You wanna do right by me in all we are facing. Yeah, I wanna do right by you. Call it amazing. You wanna do right by me in all we are facing.
Amazing. This is amazing. And there's just some random dude with a massive didgeridoo and like a little clicky stick thing, just blowing it every now and then on the rocks. So where we are right now is right along the border between New South Wales and Queensland. So we're crossing another border. Isn't that exciting? It's so windy. We're having a bit of a funny moment because we're on the borderline right now, which is here. Look. 217.
Yeah.
$3.17. Come back again.
Look.
$2.17. Go back again.
Oh, it's changed.
That is so funny. Whoa. So there is a time zone. Basically, New South Wales has got daylight saving time. I think is an hour behind, and then Queensland doesn't have a daylight saving time. Look at this. I'm standing in New South Wales, and now I'm standing in Queensland. New South Wales, Queensland. New South Wales, Queensland. Chloe, I'm trying to do something important. New South Wales, Queensland. New South Wales, Queensland. So guys, we are here in the Gold Coast. It's where city meets the beach. Afternoon, Isaac, and all your friends. So, we're just off to play crazy golf. And as you can see, the sunburn is still vibrant. Got it on my shoulders and my upper back. Yes, the clouds are coming, which is a plus for me. We keep seeing these bats, like I'm talking huge bats. And they flew around last night, and they flew around tonight. I'm going to try and capture one. If I do manage to capture one, I'll put it right here. Anyway, we're going to play crazy golf, and then we're going to go to
a street food night market.
I'm hungry just thinking about it. Let's go play putt-putt golf. Here we go, into the fun run. Do you reckon that's what Pierre's penis looks like? No?
Got a rainbow light up.
Yeah, in the bath. You got a hole in one! Big Jackie! We're on our way to this street market, food market now. It's 27 degrees. 27 degrees, 8 o'clock at night. It's been the same temperature all day. The only difference is now is that the sun's gone. Too hot, it's just too hot. Well, that was very, very lovely. Had a lovely meal with my bestie, my one and only, and had some lovely dessert, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
And look at that! Oh, look how hot it is. You can see how hot it is. And
It's gonna get really dark.
back to the campsite.